Do you want to learn Linux online by practicing it online on MyWebUniversity.com? Visit the Direct Path to Linux Ubuntu, my online book, and come to chapter 5. There's an interface that I provided you. So if you click any of these commands, display the script content, you actually are getting this error saying that the cat for each is not allowed. But I'm providing you this command interface so you can run any command here, like cat -n/etc/os-release, and this one is going to show you the os-release Ubuntu version 24.04 long-term support. So this was your command. However, you can type in any command, print working directory, click submit, you will get the output of it. For example, these are dynamic, so if you type in the date command, you press enter, you get the date command, which is Pacific Standard Time, January 20th. And also you can type in other commands like, let's say, calendar. For the current month, you get the output of calendar. And if you decide to run the df-h human readable of data format for your disk, the slices, all file system and their sizes. And you can do many other commands as well. One of the other command that I showed you last time is process stream 3 ps3, which in Linux process stream 3.1, it shows you the system D processes there. Equivalent to PS3 on Solaris is P3, which stands for process 3. P as P and 3 as 3. P3 is in Solaris. Just add a S in front of it, in front of the P and T. After the P and between the P and T, that's PS3, process stream 3. There you can get a lot of other information, like for example, if you want to get manual pages on PS3, type in man PS3 and I give you the output on man PS3 here. But at the same time, I showed you last time, you can visit MyWebUniversity.com and go to chapter 4 and practice PS3 there with more examples. Like you can see here, if I just click on PS3 here, then all the commands and examples are showing. Like process stream 3 $$ shows a Bourne shell called PS3. Similarly, process stream 3.1, like we just did it, it's going to give you the system D processes. Here's the manual pages in HTML version. You can see all the syntax of it, the argument and flags that are passed on. I just showed you a few of them, and here's a PDF version of it. I just read both of them for you so you can read it in a nicer format. It's up to you. But this one is basically Linux on a browser. You just come in on my website and then run these commands and practice them online. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you subscribe to our channel. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.